Hello and welcome to the online teaching and learning process of English. So today we are discussing about the chapter The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Introduction to the chapter. The story is about an 11-year-old girl, Maggie, whose neighbor Tommy finds a real book. So basically the story is written by Isaac Asimov, which is a science fictional story, and it is set in the year 2155. That is, it is talking about the future schools, when children learn individually at home using a mechanical teacher. That means there was a robotic teacher, a computer mechanical teacher, not a human teacher. And these two friends, Maggie and Tommy, they discuss what it must have been like to study from a human teacher. So they were really surprised to find this real book, and they are curious now to know that what kind of a teacher was a human teacher. Aims of the chapter. We are getting to know about the difference between a human teacher and a mechanical teacher, and also how the future school will look like or will be like when there will be mechanical teachers rather than a human teacher. Here are some word meanings that are taken from the chapter. When you will read the chapter from NCERT book, do notice these word meanings along with the part of speech. Headed is an adjective which means titled. Crinkly is an adjective again which means full of wrinkles. Attic is a noun which means space below the roof. Scornful is an adjective which means hateful. Nonchalantly is an adverb which means lack of care. Probably is again an adverb which means perhaps. Main points of the chapter. Tommy finds a real book from an attic. So this is what Maggie is writing in her diary in the year 2157 on 17th May, that Tommy had found a real book from an attic which had crinkly yellow papers. And according to Maggie's grandfather's grandfather, old books were printed on paper. So what does that implies here? That Maggie found it funny to read words that school still instead of moving on a screen. Right? So words were standing still there, they were not moving because they were printed on paper. And Tommy thinks it was a waste to have a book printed on paper, which was of no use unlike their digital content that could be seen on the TV screen. So he thinks that TV screens are better. The real book was about what it was about. It was about a school, right? And that kind of school where teachers were human teachers, not mechanical teachers or TV screens. Now, Maggie hates school and does not understand why someone would write about school. Why does she hate school? Because she used to study alone. The school was a mechanical teacher there, or the TV screens that we have read about, and a large computer was installed in a private room of their respective houses. So what they had to do in their kind of school, which Maggie used to hate, they had to use a punch code for writing their tests and homework, which had to be inserted in a slot on their computers. And therefore Maggie could not understand why anyone would write about school, as she hated school. Now moving on to the next point, Maggie has problems about learning geography from mechanical teacher, so it is rebuilt by the county inspector. So what happened here, that Maggie's computer was giving her test after test in geography, and she was doing worse and worse. Therefore, who had to be called? A county inspector had to be called. What would he be doing? He would be looking into this problem, and what he found, that as yes, Maggie was hating doing the homework, but the county inspector says here that Maggie's progress is satisfactory. How did he say so? As he had checked the computer and found that geography sector had been geared a little too quick. So what he did, he slowed down to the level of Maggie, who was an 11-year-old girl. Right? So therefore he could find that she was doing a satisfactory work. She was giving a satisfactory performance in her test because just it was the issue of the teacher that was geared up, right? Talking further with Tommy about the older schools, she is surprised to know that back in the older days, a real man used to be the teacher. So why is she surprised? Because she got to know reading that particular book, the real book that they found, they got to know that at that point of time, school had a man as a teacher and not a mechanical teacher, and that particular person asked questions from the students, gave them homework too. But Margie thought that she would not like this fact that a real man would come to teach her in her house. Next point. Soon Margie and Tommy had to stop reading the book, that is a real book, as it was a time for their schools. So Margie's mother called her up and Tommy to tell them that it was a time for their respective schools, and Margie had to go back to her schoolroom. Where her schoolroom was? Her schoolroom was next to her bedroom, right? So when she entered the schoolroom, she could see that the mechanical teacher was present there, which was lit up in front of her, right? And it was waiting for her. The screen was saying that today's arithmetic lesson is on addition of proper fractions. So what this mechanical teacher was teaching? This mechanical teacher was asking Margie for homework, and it was telling her that it is going to teach arithmetic lessons today. So Margie was lost in her thoughts. Instead of listening to the mechanical teacher or responding to it, she was lost in her thought, was thinking about the old schools that were there in the past, where all kids of the neighborhood went together and they were taught together, they laughed together, they shouted together, and they went back home together. Now, what can be the learning outcomes? The learning outcomes can be that we get to know that it must have been fun to learn the same things in the older days as per Margie and Tommy, and the future schools will be completely different from today's ones. I hope students the chapter is clear to you. Do read it word to word from NCERT book and solve the assignments that are uploaded on ERP. Thank you. Have a nice day.